Shit, what's up, gang? That nigga ate, fuck. What's up, bro? It's that young cuz, Texas Mariano, aka Juice, and we finna go to the muffler shop right now, and we finna get some true dual straight pipes up in that thing, man. Don't worry about my face, you know what I'm saying? I just woke up, I just got out the shower and shit. You know, this is a little rig I got. Ooh, that whole banging. Let's check the fit. Let's check the fit.
Ayy, thinking about my brother down the road while across the globe, smoking on exotic, and you know I got my styrofoam. Whole lot of drug, yeah, that's the shit that I be on. Whole lot of blue strips, I can get your body gone. I can rip the lead, nigga. Whole squad defeat, nigga.
So we in that 2013 Hemi, you feel me? That 5.7. That 5.7. And shit. You know, we gotta stay hydrated with the Vita Coco water. I'll catch y'all at the body shop when we're outside, alright? Peace.
Really stacking, really having in the attic, dog. Way before the rapping, it was tragic how it happened, dog. Dope boy had a dream, and he sold the block up. Pigs on thick, leave your whole hood stocked up. And all of these killers in my gang really clocked up, man.
Alright, man. So right now we're at a stoplight, man. We're about 5 minutes from the shop, bro. And yeah, bro. We just chilling right now, bro. We just chilling. You know what I'm saying? Right here on Preston Street. You know what I'm saying? Pasadena, Texas. If y'all wanna get your muffler done. Alright, y'all. So right now we're at the Ravino's muffler shop. And shit, man. We gotta wait about like 30 minutes, and then we're in that hoe, and you know, he's gonna do what he does, and then shit, hopefully that motherfucker sound good, bro. True dual straight pipes, man. Hopefully that bitch sound good, bro, cause man, that hoe only 152, so yeah. But for sure, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later, bro. I'm just gonna sit in the truck, wait about like 30 minutes, and then we finna head out type shit. Alright, dog, peace. Alright, man, so we keeping the catch, man. And then you see, as you can see, man, we got this big ass box and shit. These big ass pipes, bro. So we finna, you know what I'm saying? Put some true dual straight pipes in that bitch. So hell yeah. Alright, so this is what they had did. Cut it from there. Straight piped it all the way back into. But the fucking this shit, bro. I need to redo that shit, cause nigga, that shit makes my car sound like it's dummy. You know what I'm saying? Like it's muffled or something. Excuse me. So we're gonna see. I don't have somebody out there, but I'm gonna put the thing over here. Are done. My next mod is gonna be a quarter intake, and shit, we're gonna go from there. Peace.
For some heads, let me go and show you.